Walking to get snacks for her field trip.
Oh.
Wow. That is cute. So we got the chips, the drink,
the crackers, the Lunchables, my chips, and my muffin.
and Gushers.
Yeah, and Gushers.
Yep. I wonder why I can't focus. 24, 21. Got new stuff. Gotta walk home. No car right now. This is gonna be Mia's lunch for her field trip tomorrow.
So I got this. My mom gave me. My mom gave me this too. My mom bought me Gatorade. It's a blue Gatorade. My mom bought me my chips. My mom bought me this. My mom bought me Lunchables. My mom bought me this, Gushers, and my mom gave me this.
You gotta remember that your siblings is just you and your younger. That's what I thought.
Said I died alone and tell that bitch she probably got me. One thing that's for sure, got a stranger to this lane. Gotta take this bullet trailer and a shoulder full of stripes. Don't know a nigga like myself. I say self-made, meaning I design my now, a nigga can't win now. Now, my kind lady shine like that. They got a dumb house when the H-time so. No matter what you go, no matter what you know, that you're still around.